customer came to us and they were starting in the production stage, but they were doing, everything was being machined. We looked at the part, we showed them that we could design a progressive die to make that part, and rather than $5 a piece, they get it for 50 cents. I'm Jerry Reinhardt, president of West Coast Metal Stamping. Well, you can get more parts per hour, like we run a die at 60 or 70 strokes a minute. So that's 3,600 or 4,200 parts an hour. All progressive tooling. This is a large example. Stainless steel, 17 stations. This is the cylinder for a door lock. We're starting, we pierce a pilot hole and we're doing a pierce operation. Then all of these subsequent operations are piercings. But every place where you see a pilot hole, that's a station. And the press, as it opens and closes, it moves one progression. And in each progression, you're doing 17 operations. And at the end, you've got a completed part. So every time the press opens and closes, we're making a part. And we do that at 60 or 70 strokes a minute. We're tight tolerance. The key here is that every part is the same. We're going to make a 2-out die, and now we're saving. On a 2-out die, we have less waste on the outside and in the middle. And so you're getting 2 parts for every stroke. The customer presents us with a drawing. Here's a finished part, and it may be in the flat pattern. If they give us their files, we can unfold the part, get the dimensions, and from that we can determine what is the best way as far as laying it out on the strip. But you do have scrap, and it's up to us to, design it such that we minimize the amount of scrap. We do tapping, we do robotic welding. This is a bracket that holds the cooler for a Cobra Mustang car built by Ford. So we put the clinch nuts, clinch studs into this part. We welded it together. We also sent it out for its zinc phosphate undercoating and black epoxy top coat. We've provided the customer with a finished part to their specification. We did one other thing in this project. When we made the prototype, this was 2 parts. So you had 2 parts here, 2 parts here. They were welded in the center together. And my partner redesigned it for 1 part. And we submitted that to Honeywell, which then took it to Ford. They approved it. So because we took out 12.5 inches of welding and we saved on the design and the tooling, we eliminated 2 tools. We reduced this by $4.50 per unit. We run all materials: stainless steels, copper, brass, aluminum, heat treatable steels, everything. And that's what we do best. We solve problems. We like those things that nobody else wants to do.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.